In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your mic in Hell Let Loose. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you simple steps that you can follow to fix any issues attributed to your microphone in Hell Let Loose. If you are trying to talk with others in voice chat and you can hear them but no one can hear you, or your microphone is not being detected, it's not working, or a voice channel simply refuses to connect, then you can follow some of these methods to address your issues. So first, ensure that the microphone is being detected by the platform where you are playing Hell Let Loose. So if you are on PC, you will be able to go over to the control panel, sound options, and then find it here. And if you are on Xbox, you should be able to find it when you go over to the Xbox guide and you look if there is a mic connected and enabled. Now, with this out of the way, the first thing that you can try to do is simply to reconnect in the voice chat for Hell Let Loose. So in there, you will be able to go over to the settings inside of the game or on the main menu, switch over to the audio category, and when you go over to the last option, you will be able to disconnect and then connect again on the voice chat. If the status says connected, then you will be good to go. So all that you have to do now is try to talk. If it still doesn't work, then you can move on to some other additional steps. If you are on PC, go back to the control panel, sound, recording, and in here you should be able to find your microphone. If you don't see it, right click anywhere, go over to show disabled devices, and then show disconnected devices. If it still doesn't appear, it means that it is not being detected by Windows, so I would recommend switching your headset, switching your mic, or connecting it to a different USB port, and once that is done, all that you have to do is set it as enabled and then set as a default device. Restart Hell Let Loose and you should be good to go to get it working. If it still doesn't work, then it could be a problem with the game, or alternatively, like I said, you might have to keep trying different microphones or just keep restarting over and over until it works. It is very glitchy and sometimes people are just disconnected from voice chat for no reason. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix your mic in Hell Let Loose. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.